everyone. My name is Simona Fino, and I'm a real estate agent here in beautiful Southern Oregon. I wanted to take you all on a tour of downtown Grants Pass. Now be sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm also going to be giving you a tour of a charming duplex located minutes away from downtown. All right, without further ado, let's go take a look. For those of you who aren't familiar with Grants Pass, it is located just off the I-5 and is surrounded by beautiful forested hills and mountains. Downtown Grants Pass is located on the north side of the Rogue River, and downtown proper is encompassed within about a 5 or 6 block radius. Here you're going to find a number of great restaurants, including some of my favorites, Mimosas, The Hall, and The Bohemian. You'll also find plenty of wonderful small shops with everything from gifts, plants, shoes, clothing, and antiques. One of the best things about Grants Pass is the Rogue River, and one of the best parks in town is Riverside Park. This park has playground, water play area, and it just has gorgeous river access. Now, across the river from Riverside Park is Tap Rock Restaurant, which has fabulous riverfront seating. Have you heard about house hacking? Well, what that is where you buy a multi-unit property and you live in one side and then rent out the other units, collect that rent, and put it towards your mortgage. Today I'm going to show you inside a duplex here in Southeast Grants Pass. Each unit is 550 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and both have been really nicely updated. Let's go inside and take a look. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely duplex and of downtown Grants Pass. Now, if you're considering a move to Southern Oregon, or you just want to learn more about house hacking, or you want to learn more about this duplex, give me a call, 541-326-2552.